up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And guys, 1 year later, we are at the retro meet, and as you can see, it is already popping off. Y'all are not ready for this. Who is not ready for this? Like, hurricane or not, I'm telling you, you're not ready for this.
Wind blowing the American flag here.
That's what I'm saying. Like, and seriously, dude, it was like 1 year ago we stood right here, with our cars right behind us,
and we said probably almost the same thing we're about to say now. It's the retro meet.
The retro.
Suck, bang, blow.
All
the
night.
last event of Mustang Week 2019.
Yep.
The Mustang Week that halfway happened. And it's been an awesome time down here. This feels like one of the longest Mustang Weeks I've ever been to, and it's only been 3 days.
We're already tired. Me and Serban actually were in the pool for an hour earlier before we came.
And I was trying to take a nap and make sure my feet didn't fall off.
And then probably after that, we're going to get some beer and get back at the pool. And,
I did have to shave my mustache off. That took a while, but
we're missing the mustache.
Got the vanilla ice.
Yeah, hold on. We got to get it. Yes. Yeah, dude, that is ridiculous.
Because I'm sweating like steam, and you can feel my flow when I'm rolling.
Yeah.
In my 5.
Dude, where's the necklaces?
It's in the trunk. I hadn't put it on
Oh,
yet.
okay.
I still got to get in character. I got my jacket and my necklace. I'm halfway there right now. I'm still Harris Lou. I'm about to go ice.
Exactly. So that is what is up, guys. Suck, bang, blow right here in Myrtle Beach. This is going to be, yeah. Alright guys, so if you're kind of wondering the whole retro theme, like why do we call it the retro meet? It's the retro meet because, as you can see, all the Fox bodies and SA95s, they get front and center. Most events are all about the newer stuff. And as you can see, at the retro meet, we do it old school, don't we?
Everything 80s, 90s.
Everything 80s and 90s gets front and center. Another super clean vert right here. Love it. Just love it. And they just keep coming in. Got Brian's car. Looking good. And we had to get Brian on camera again. Dude, killed it. He was in front of the hard rack last night. If you saw the Instagram story, he got the top spot. So, and you stuck around. I'm glad you stuck around.
It is.
I love it. All right, y'all. So the legend of the retro meet. This is kind of how this goes. As you can see, the cars are still just like streaming in. Tons of cars streaming in. There's Brandon. I see Brandon right there. Got all kinds of badassery pulling in here. And then, of course, we got this parking lot over here. Totally full. And then of course across the street over here, you can see way over there is even more. So it's like, this is why you hear so much about the retro meet, is because it's absolutely nuts. Absolutely insane, as you can clearly see. Insane.
You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and it giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money, then save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. Where the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Drawing number 7, he's bored though. Working all night, need more though. I remember
You can see the median here. The median's all the way out to the road. That's probably a good quarter mile right there. So the median's full. And then we're across the street in this law firm, which hopefully, if you parked in the law firm, I wish you the best of luck. Then we got this median full. And then this entire lot, well, of course, this was full at like 3:30 before we even got here. But yeah, and then of course, there's the actual show field over there. So yeah, in the meantime, we're just keeping up with everything that's going. Is anybody here for burnouts? Anybody waiting on burnouts?
Waiting on? Yeah.
Anybody waiting on burnout? Okay, as soon as the sun goes down, we're gonna do some burnouts, right? All right, that's what's up. Thank you. All right, guys, so such as the tradition with the retro meet, as you see, it starts to get a little dark and everybody kind of starts migrating to the street here. And I don't think they're here to watch the sunset. So here very, very shortly, we're gonna see a burnout or two. I can practically guarantee it. We even got retro outfits walking around. But yeah, I don't think they're here for the sunset. Just saying. All right, guys, I just got to ask you, are you here to watch the sun, what's like the sunset, or?
We're waiting on burnout.
Okay, okay, I was just making sure. I'm looking at all these people like, they're not here for the sunset, right?
It is nice.
Exactly, yeah, it is super nice tonight. Burnout's coming shortly, I promise.
I know, I'm gonna be doing it.
Okay, if I can get out, I will.
From yonder.
Okay, I got you. All right, guys, so here's the deal. It is getting dark, and obviously you know what happens when the sun goes down. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna shut up and I'm just gonna play burnout after burnout after burnout. Hope you enjoy it. We're pretty much out for Mustang Week 2019. We're in blast though, right? And you got your retro meat shirt on. Hot, looking hot. So good times, and you better believe we'll be here next year. Hate that the weather sucks, but what can you do? So in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Enjoy the burnouts.